Hello guys, welcome to this live session by Aglogains. Sorry, I have been away for a while. So the last 15 days we have not done any live stream. So I just wanted to quickly share my screen and walk you guys through the current positions that we have. And this is going to be very, very interesting because we are going to look at the most famous strategy, which is the iron fly strategy that I have live deployed. We will also see if there are any live adjustments that we'll have to make, and we will also see what are my other strategies, like what are we playing on this week and so on and so forth. Okay, so let me go ahead and quickly share my screen. I'll first start off with my current positions here. Just a minute. Right, perfect. So welcome guys, welcome to today's live stream. This is Aglogains, and if you're new to the channel, please do consider subscribing. On the screen, you should be able to see my live positions. I will walk you through everything step by step. The most crucial part of this video is going to be the iron fly strategy that has been so popular on my channel that all of you have been continuously asking me questions about the iron fly strategy. So let me show you how this week's iron fly strategy is and how it's going to play out. Okay, so without further ado, this week's, let me go ahead and walk you through the iron fly strategy that we have deployed. Okay, so right now I have two open positions. One is the iron fly for the 27th July. The other one is my intraday short straddle position that we do on a daily basis. We have covered this strategy at length in our videos. If you want to go ahead and look at it, you can go look at our YouTube channel and you'll be able to see this exact strategy that we are deploying. Our focus today is going to be on the iron fly strategy. I've created this strategy on the 20th of July, okay, which is exactly last Thursday, I think. And we have deployed this, and this is how the strategy looks like. Okay, so in this strategy there are multiple parts. I will discuss all of them with you step by step. So if you look at this, currently the strategy has a PNL of about 23,000 rupees with a max profit potential of 70,000 rupees. Okay, if it ends the week in at the range of 45,897, we will end up with a max profit of 70,000 on just 10 lots. Okay, this is at 18% profit potential. Obviously we will not wait for this much. As we get closer to our profits, we will start cutting our legs, and I'll walk you through what that is. The probability of this strategy working out for us right now is about 72%, which is a great probability to have. Okay, now let us look at what this strategy is and how did I construct it. Okay, step one of this strategy was when I deployed this strategy, okay, which was deployed on the 20th. Okay, let me just show you on the 20th where the market was. So let's go back to the 20th here, somewhere here. All right, let's just quickly get back to this. Just making sure that we are all live. Right, so on the 20th, if you see 20th of July, somewhere around here, somewhere around 132 is where I deployed this strategy. So Bank Nifty was at this range, 45,900, maybe around this 1 o'clock or something. I must have deployed this. Let us double check. At 127, we have actually deployed this strategy. So 127, somewhere along this line. Okay, somewhere here, guys. So market was somewhere here at 45,900. Okay, so at 45,900, what I have done is I've sold the at the money put option and at the money call option. Okay, so just give me 1 second. Right, so at this stage I've sold the at the money put option and at the money call option, 10 lots each. Okay, and as a hedge, if you look at the break even prices when I deployed this, the break evens were here. The break evens were 45,200 and 46,600. So 45,200 I have bought as a hedge, and 46,600 I have bought as a call hedge. At what prices? At these prices. Okay. Now this is how my current strategy is. My put leg has given me 31,948 profit. Okay. My call leg has given me 19,965 as profit, and my hedges have given me losses, which is okay, right? As long as market is within this range, which is 45,437 and 46,341, 381, we are in a good profit for this iron fly strategy. Okay, this is currently deployed live, guys. I want to again show you this 150 quantity, 150 quantity, 150 quantity, and 150 quantity. Okay, this is my iron fly, and these have been deployed live. So let me just show you that here in Sensible as well. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now here there was a small change here. That is, if you look at my cells, 19,000 and 32,000, great profits. Okay. But one of my put leg also you see 30,000 profit, but that is only because my positional strategy also had the similar strike price. Okay. So if you look at this, my positional strategy, there was a sell of 45,200. Here there is a buy of 45,200. That's why you see that profit reflecting in this. But overall, these are two separate trades. Okay. But these are two separate trades that are currently running. Okay. And it's at a very good position at this point. I would expect that the market continues in this position. Then our iron fly will give you great profits. Now, I just want to quickly show you on our YouTube channel where we discuss this strategy in depth. Okay. If you go to our playlist and if you see our complete option selling guide, okay, instead of playing this, I will just go ahead and show you all the iron fly strategies that we have discussed. Complete iron fly option strategy with adjustments. Please go ahead and look at this video, guys. Okay. So let me just show you this playlist as well. Just give me 1 second here. So if you see this strategy right here, this one, my bad. This strategy, iron fly option strategy with adjustments. It is my most watched video, 2,100 views. Please do watch this in depth. Exactly what I discussed here is what we have deployed here. Okay, is what we have deployed here. So this is the first part of the video. I just wanted to show you that a lot of people were asking me questions that, sir, does the iron fly strategy really work? In this low VIX environment, is it beneficial? Market is moving quite a bit. Does this really work? But I want to tell you that the iron fly strategy in this setup, in the way we do it, has been giving us a lot of profits, continuous profits. Last week, there has been a loss. My total loss last week was 6,000 rupees. And this week, it's already at around 22,000 profit. So this is a great place to start. Now, let us look at the other strategy that we had deployed. The other strategy that we have deployed, which is now closed. I closed it at a 53,000 profit. Okay. Which comes up to about around 3-4% for this week. We have closed that. Okay. What is this strategy? How did we deploy it? This strategy was briefly, in a very simple manner, has been explained here. Iron Condor with Bank Nifty in Zerodha. If you have not watched this video, please do go ahead and watch this video. Iron Condor with Bank Nifty in Zerodha. It is on our channel as a past live stream. This has given tremendous results. Last couple of 1-2 weeks, we had a couple of losses, but very small losses. The beauty of this strategy is my stop loss is at 30%, 20% depending on the market. So when I lose very little, but when we gain a lot in this strategy. Okay. So please do go ahead and watch this video when you do have the time. Now let us come to the third strategy that is there in my portfolio right now. The third strategy that is in my portfolio is the short straddle strategy, which I have deployed today. Okay. This strategy also we have shown at length in our channel. Let me just show you this also so that you guys know what I'm talking about. So let me just go to our channel here. If you see our past videos, this is one of my most favorite strategies, guys. Every day I deploy the intraday strategy. Okay, so let me just show you in the lives. Go down here. So this is one that we should discuss. This is second. Let's go to the intraday strategy. How to make regular income short straddle. This is an amazing video. I showed the backtest also. It has about 4.1 thousand views. Please do go ahead and watch this. Hi Sunoj, how are you? I just saw your message. Please do let me know if you have any doubts. Let us now come back and look at the market, and I'll talk to you about how my short straddle is performing right now. Okay. In my short straddle, what we have done is we have deployed, if I didn't close this, right, we have deployed a sell of call option and put option at these prices. Okay. My call option, because the market has gone up since I deployed, my call option hit the stop loss at 537 rupees. Okay. This has hit the stop loss. I've taken a loss. Okay. Sujan, Sunoj, I will check your mail. Okay. Definitely. And if you do want to reach out to me, you can also leave me a number and I'll try calling you back or WhatsApping you. That would be much easier as well. But I will check the mail. Now coming to the next part, one leg, which is my call leg, has hit a stop loss at 537 rupees. My put leg, which I've sold for 446 rupees, is now at 360 rupees. So this has given me a loss of 330. This has given me a profit of 32. Overall, I'm currently in a loss of 2,700 rupees. Ideally, for me to make ultimate profits, I want Bank Nifty to be somewhere around 46,200, 46,100. That will be a great place for us to be today. Okay. Let us see how the market is going. This is the current Bank Nifty chart. So let me just close out a couple of these things here. Keep it a very clean chart at this point. Now, this is the day beginning. Okay. So let us just draw a vertical line here. So this is the first candle of the day today, somewhere around here. Yeah, cool. So this is today's trade. It's going okay. I wouldn't say the market has taken some direction yet, but if you see there, it is respecting this big trend line at the higher point. Okay, because if you zoom out, it is respecting this, but on a shorter time frame, you can also look at this trend line and it's continuously bouncing off of these lows. Okay. So hopefully this trend line holds and the market continues to go up, because it has broken this high, made a new high, retraced back, went up again from this level. From here, it has again made a new high, came back, retraced, hit this, and it's now trying to make a new high. So if it breaks this level of 4632 rupees, then we are in a good place for today's trade and we can expect that the market will go higher and higher. Okay. That's just an assumption. Again, we do not know how the market will go, and that's why I have stop losses in place. That's why I have hedges in place. Let us look at my current positions right now. So as you see, I have the hedge for my PE. So if you see here, the hedge for my PE, which is 44,800, 44,800. This is live. Okay. And my sell, which is at 35,000 rupees. This is also live. So these two are my intraday positions. Okay. Versus all of these are my overnight positions. Okay. So that's the current scenario of the markets. Let us observe and see where it's going. Also, there are some news, that are going to come out today. So Axis Bank results are going to come out today. Okay. Punjab National Bank results will also come out today. So Punjab National Bank looks like the results did come out. Okay. Net profit reported at 1,255 crores, which is fantastic, compared to 308 crores. So it's 4 times the same quarter in the last fiscal year. I think this is taken as a positive sign. Let us look at how Punjab National Bank is performing. PNB. Okay, I think it was also anticipated a bit but the market at the news release there was a small sell-off, and then the market is now slowly picking up. This is the beginning of today's trade. It went up, then there's a sell-off here, and then the market is picking up slowly. Okay, so this is the news of Punjab National Bank. If you guys want to go ahead and take a look at it, so it does hold some small weightage in Bank Nifty as well. Okay, now this is Axis Bank results. Okay, so the anticipated net profit is 5,840. I don't think the results are out yet. I'm not sure. Let us just review it. Results on 26th. I don't think that the results are out yet, guys. Is estimated fiscal results is estimated standalone, so on. Scheduled to report its results on Wednesday. Yeah, at 12 o'clock the results are still not out. I think there has been no action yet. Let us look at it. Axis Bank. In every VIX condition. So Sunoj, I'll tell you what is the strategy of iron fly, right? Let's understand what is iron fly and how does it work. So if you see in the current scenario, okay, iron fly basically means, and this is how I would deploy it today if I have to deploy it. Okay, let me just show you this. So if I have to deploy iron fly right now, I will sell at the money, call and put. So I sold this. Okay, at break evens 45,665, which means 45,700, I will buy a hedge. Where is 45,700? Somewhere around here. I will buy this as a hedge. And on the other side, just give me a second. On the other side, the hedge will be 46,334, which means 46,300. So 46,300, I will buy this also as a hedge. So this will be my iron fly position if you have to deploy it right now. You have a max profit potential of 9.3%, which means mine has an 18% probability. Yours will have a 9.3% probability if you deploy it right now. Ideally, this should be deployed on a Thursday or a Friday. So ideally do not do it today. I would prefer you must have done it on Friday or something. But let's understand what is the logic of the iron fly. Logic of iron fly is you want the premiums to be very high. Okay. But the market movement should be low. When will the premiums be very high? The premiums will be very high if there is some uncertainty in the market, which means the VIX should not be too high that there will be big movements. VIX should not be too low that there will be no premiums at all. It has to be in a certain situation where VIX is between, say, 12 to 19, I would say. Ideally, VIX on a longer time frame, VIX is always between 13 to 19. Okay, but if VIX is between 12 to 19, you can deploy iron fly. Okay, it will be the most beneficial if it is 13 to 19, but 11 to 19, 12 to 19 also, if you have tight adjustments, you can do this. Okay, so I wouldn't say every VIX environment. Okay, I would say rather from 11 to 19, 12 to 19, you can actually do this. Okay, and please do watch that video to understand how the adjustment should be made, because it's not that iron fly you leave it and you expect the market to just be within this range. It will not happen. It will never happen. Even if VIX is very low, VIX is very high, or VIX is dab in the middle at 16 also, it will never happen. That's why adjustments are very, very important. When market reaches this break even here, you have to adjust on this side. When market reaches break even here, you need to adjust on this side. So that is why I'm once again re-emphasizing here. Please do watch this video. It's been the most popular video on my channel for a reason, because it is working and people are really happy with this strategy. So please do watch this. Okay. So I hope I was able to. Oh, perfect, Sunoj. I'm really happy that you understood. This is really exciting for me. I will also check your mail. We'll talk one-on-one as well. It will be really interesting to see and answer your doubts. Okay. Now, see, the market is slowly picking up. It's going. It has broken this high, which means it still respected this trend line. So I'm happy about that. I'm not a I'm not a options buyer, but if you are, you can also look at a very, if it breaks nicely, if it breaks this level, okay, and closes above, you can also look at a small buy position, maybe somewhere here. This will be your take profit and your stop loss will be here. But again, it's 136 points. I would definitely not do it, and it's a highly unlikely scenario that the market goes up 136 points and comes 136 points. But ideally, you can also look at this trade if you are an option buyer. Okay, but because it's after 1:40 2 o'clock, there'll be huge decay. If the market doesn't move and it stays there, option buyers will lose money, which is why we are not option buyers on a regular basis. Okay, so this is another thing you guys can look at. I'm just curious as to when Axis Bank results will come. It will be interesting to see. I do think there is some positive expectancy in Axis Bank. Market is going up slightly. Maybe there is some news that came out. We will have to wait and watch. So nothing yet. Looks like there is no change at this point. Okay, Q4 results. So Q1 results are still not out, guys. Let us see. If anything, the first thing you will know is you'll also know this on Twitter. I do follow a lot of Twitter content, because Twitter, there is a lot of people that I really admire, and they live post their live analysis and so on and so forth. Okay, just signing in with some random account. I do have my official account as well. If you guys want to follow that, please do go ahead and follow my official account as well. So I'll just show you my official account. So this is my official Twitter account, guys. I do post a lot of my PNLs, verified PNLs on a daily basis here. So you can also check these out. I do post some short videos if there's a big launch and so on and so forth. So please do check it out. It's at Nihant Guntur. That's my Twitter. But there are a few people I really follow, and it's really interesting to see what's happening. So let us see Axis Bank if there's any news. So looks like nothing at this moment. The market is not making drastic moves at this point, so which means it's good, it's calm. Let's again look back at Bank Nifty. So this looks like this level, it's struggling to close above this level a bit. I would watch this level. If it closes decisively above this level, that's a good sign for us that market has solidly taken a direction. Okay, if it does close higher up above, then the market has a good potential to start rallying upwards. Again, if you remember, I don't want the market to go too high. Okay, the reason for that is I do have my iron fly here, and my iron fly has a break even towards the upside. Just a second, I'll tell you this also. My iron fly has a break even towards the upside at 46,371. So I don't want it to go until 46,371. Then I will lose whatever 22,000 profit I have. So I want it at a sweet spot of say here 46,200. And then tomorrow there's a gap down opening. That will be my perfect scenario. But let's see how it plays out. But I'm really happy with how the positions have turned out. If there are any more doubts also, please do let me know. No Sunoj, I do not know Kannada. I'm not that fluent. I know a little bit of Kannada. I did stay in Bangalore for 3 years. But my Kannada is a little weak. Okay. I'm comfortable in English, Hindi. These languages are good. Okay. Now, thank you so much. I think this pretty much sums up the live stream. If you do have any doubts, please don't mind. You can always ping me, and I'd be more than happy to walk you through all these questions that you have. You can comment on my videos, and I look forward to the next video. Thank you so much for tuning in. It's a pleasure talking to you guys. Sorry, I've been away for a bit. I was actually on a vacation for the last 15 days. I'm back now, so you can expect repeated videos on a daily basis. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. It's a pleasure talking to you. Have a